Hi, today I will show you how to deploy a smart contract with SmartC. First of all, we need to have the contract. I have prepared this contract and it is already tested. It's always all working. First step, you need to compile the source code. You can use, of course, the page and use a compile button and check if compile is successful. And here's all done. We will have a smart contract deployment window with all the information that you need. Of course, you need your secret passphrase to deploy the contract and a local host node. For this tests, for this deployment, I'm doing on testnet. But if you want to do on mainnet, just click there. As you see, my local host is not running yet. I will just start it. And okay, it was started. And we can check the account. I will use this test password here for deployment. And still there is no transaction, just the coins that I sent myself just to make this test. And we can deploy the contract here using the same password. We got the response from localhost with the transaction ID, and we know that it was deployed. Let's check here on the wallet. You can check that the transaction was made, but no confirmation yet. So let's simulate some block that is forged. Okay, just a simulated one block forged. Let's check here. Confirmation, zero confirmations. That means the contract is already here. This will be the address of your contract. We can send a message to start using it. The amount, the minimum amount to contract to run. The contract in the example was one Signa. And the message that is configured to be the number, which will be the random numbers to be drawn. Let's check 10. Example. Remember that you don't want to send the message encrypted because the smart contracts doesn't understand encrypted messages. Okay, we just sent the message, and this contract needed 3 blocks to make the drawn. So I'm simulating here that 3 blocks will be forged. Block 83, 84, And during this time, you can check out the API doc. This is the place where you can get more information about the contracts. We can just get that number here, the transaction for the deployment, and we can get the details. As you can check here, the contract is running. We already have some balance on it. And let's check how many blocks. Okay, block 86. So it's okay. We got a block 4, 5, and 6. And just check here, the latest block is 686. Okay, so we must have received the answer from the contract. Yeah, it is already uh, refreshed here, the message we sent with the number and the response from the smart contract with the numbers. So that was the numbers that were chosen. Okay, that's the way that you do your deployment. Yeah? It's very simple. All you can do is on SmartC page, and then use your wallet to check the the contract details and use it.